Okay, so we talked about swivels. Swivels, the main focus was on the reversing those swivels. So to prepare the followers for swivels, we use hook and triple. So let's see, we do 1, 2, 3, and 4, and from here I create scoop movement in the center in the point of connection to lead her out. So I'm doing 5 and out. So from here we have leaders your weight on the right, followers your weight on the left. From here we twist on the front foot and point at the same time. So we point, here we use mirroring hips to create this movement. So I'm moving my left hip, my right side away. She's moving her right, just because we feel the increasing of the tension, and we load this side more, and this creates the same movement in her. From here we do ball, step, and point, ball, step, and point, ball, step, and to exit we do point, ball, step, we do point, ball, step in a line. Yeah, and from here we did a reverse swivel. So for followers it will be the same, but for leaders it will be point, ball, cross in front. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So it's point, ball, cross, point, ball, cross, point, ball, cross, point, ball, cross. So I change my arm after point on the cross. I move the arm from the left to my right. It's the same follower's arm, it's right. And from here I do create this outside turn, it's me. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, out, step, triple step. Ow! Good? Yeah. And then for the leaders sometimes advanced leaders, they mock the first point. So they just twist the body. So it looks like, for example, 5 and out. So it looks point, ball, cross. Just twist, cross, twist, cross. And for the followers, it was step. Pam, boom, pam, boom, pam.